Hi, everyone. Pamela Gardner here, the owner of Biotech Vendor Services, and we're in the 7th week of our Breaking Through the Barriers of Your Inner Critic to Ignite More Confidence, Resilience, and Joy. It was a 60-day program in which we met twice a week. And I have two of the wonderful ladies that were in the program, Susan Medueno and Kathleen Molnar. Thank you so much for being here today.
Hi.
Thanks,
Thank you
Pam.
for having us, Pam.
You're welcome. And Kathleen, how about you? What drew you to join the program?
Well, definitely you, Pam. I think I got to hear you chat quickly in like one of your pre-meetings, and just like hearing your empathy and the way that you sort of put things that helped change your thinking just a little bit. And so I was really excited, and I really wanted to come into the program basically because you would be leading and that there'd be, exactly like Susan said, all these other successful female ladies focused in on science, but succeeding and finding again that empathy with those women and saying that, yeah, we've all done awesome things, but yeah, sometimes we get stuck. Sometimes we let this doubt, isolation, and shame get the better of us, and we won't together. We'll change it. Yeah.
Well, awesome. Thank you for sharing. And Kathleen, where were you before starting the program? Where are you now? And where were you struggling? And what are the successes that you've had?
I was post a layoff. So the company shut down, and in the sort of over Christmas, and it was definitely, in a pandemic, a time of isolation, a time of shame around that. And just, I found myself, knowing the right things to do, but just again, overwhelmed and stuck and not doing all those things that I just needed to be doing, reaching out, applying to jobs, right? Just simply. And then where I am now is, definitely, like Susan was saying, sort of knowing that like, whenever those like overwhelmed feelings or those things come, that it's okay, and that I can accept when those feelings crop up, and then I move forward. So I've since, applied for several jobs, and I've had, several interviews, and I'm, waiting for offers to come. And so it's almost like I don't even remember where I was because so much has changed. Okay.
Sorry. So yeah, it's amazing to see where you are now, because you weren't even actually applying for jobs at the time, and now you've had 3 interviews. So that's awesome. And how about you, Kathleen? What would you say to others considering the program?
Yeah, don't wait. Like what we learned at these tools, and that this sort of overwhelm and the stuckness is something that can come on any day, and it's sort of like exercise. It's like a daily thing. And so the longer you wait to sort of, take stock, like acknowledge what's going on inside, acknowledge how those things are preventing you doing things outside, the longer it's going to take for you to resolve them. So it's very small changes, right? But can make big impacts, but that it also requires time, right? So we're not like fixed. And so you start as soon as you can, so you can start figuring out that journey away from overwhelm.
Thank you, Kathleen.